Hello everyone, welcome back to the SP Learning Labs Java programming course. In today's video, we will learn how Java program runs step by step. What happens when we click run in Eclipse? Compiler versus interpreter. What is JIT? Core features of Java. Let's get started. In the previous video, we learned what is JVM, what is JRE, what is JDK. We also understood that these three components work together to run a Java program. Now in this video, we will see what exactly happens internally, from writing code to getting output. Let's take our same program, system.out.println hello world. Step 1, writing code. We write code in Eclipse. Here you can see our file helloworld.java. This is called source code. It is human readable. Step 2, compilation. When we save the file, Eclipse automatically compiles the code. It checks for errors, converts code into bytecode, and file created helloworld.class. This bytecode is not mission code. It is an intermediate format. Step 3, click run. We click run button. Step 4, JRE starts. JRE loads the required libraries. Here, system.out.println comes from Java library. It prepares the runtime environment. Step 5, JVM execution. JVM reads bytecode, converts it into mission code, and executes the instructions. Step 6, output. Hello world is printed. Final flow. We write, save, compile, and run, and we see the output. Now let's understand an important concept. Is Java compiled or interpreted? Answer: Java uses both. Compiler. A compiler converts entire program into a bytecode. Happens during save. In Eclipse, .java file is compiled to .class file. In our hello world example, your full code is converted into bytecode at once. Interpreter. Interpreter is a part of JVM. Execute code line by line. How it works? Reads instructions, executes, moves to next. Like reading instructions step by step. Final understanding. Compiler converts, interpreter executes. Java is both compiled and interpreted. Just-in-time compiler, JIT. It is inside JVM. It improves performance. Why needed? Interpreter is slow for repeated tasks. What JIT does? Observes running program and finds the repeated code. Converts into mission code. It results next execution becomes faster. Example, loop running many times. JIT optimizes it. JIT makes Java faster. Now let's understand why Java is popular. It is platform independent. Same program runs on anywhere because of JVM. Object oriented. Uses classes and objects. Helps in organizing code. Secure. JVM checks code before execution. It prevents harmful operations. Robust. Strong and reliable. Handles errors properly. Multi-threading. Can perform multiple tasks at a time. High performance. JIT improves speed. Portable. Easy to move programs. Garbage collection. Automatically cleans memory. Finally, Java is powerful, secure, and efficient. Today we learned execution flow step by step, compiler versus interpreter, JIT compiler, core features of Java. In the next video, we will start learning about identifiers and reserved keywords and understand how we name variables, classes, and methods in Java. If you found this helpful, like, share, subscribe to SP Learning Labs. See you in the next video.